Hallucinations aren't bugs, they are missing context. Hi everyone, welcome to day 11 of 50 days GenAI challenge. If you ask an LLM about your company's refund policy, it will make up something, right? It doesn't have access to your internal documentation. RAG solves this exact problem. So RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. The idea is very simple. Before asking the LLM to generate an answer, first retrieve the relevant context and along with the user query, send the context so that the LLM can respond properly. So let's see this with an example, basic setup along with cosine similarity function. Now here I define the knowledge piece. This is our private data, right? 5 statements about a fictional company, refund policies, shipping, support hours, gift cards, etc. This information exists nowhere on the internet. The LLM has never seen this. So this acts as a knowledge base. Next, I index these documents, basically convert into embeddings and store it, same as day 10. Now here I have written a retrieve function. Given a user query, it retrieves the most similar documentation from the knowledge base. Then comes the RAG function. This is the core. Now, if you see that, step 1 is retrieve the most relevant documentation. Step 2, build the context from this retrieved documentation. Step 3, create a prompt that includes these contexts along with the user query. And step 4, send the same to the LLM so that the LLM can respond. I have also written the source so that we can refer to which documents were used to answer the particular query. Now let's test this particular function, right? I have a query, can I return a product I bought 2 weeks ago? So the system retrieves the refund policy documents, the LLM reads it and responds, yes, you can return a product bought 2 weeks ago, right? And we can exactly see what sources were used to respond to this particular query. Our system refund policy orders that typically deliver. Now I have one more question. How long does the shipping take? It again reads the documents and returns with 3 to 5 business days. Now here comes the critical test. What is the capital of France? This has nothing to do with our knowledge base. The system still retrieves something because the system is designed in such a way that it always returns top K results. But the LLM recognizes this as an irrelevant context and responds, I don't have that particular information. So that's the power of RAG. Grounded response, no hallucinations, up-to-date data without retraining, full transparency on sources. This is how enterprise AI systems work. Customer support bots, internal search tools, documentation assistant, they all use the RAG system. So this was day 11. See you on day 12. Bye bye.